Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your windscreen wipers on your Mazda CX-5. Let's start with the front area. It's really easy. You have to lift it up, but take care. Slide the blade component in the upper direction. Then take care that you do not drop the lever back on the glass, because this can make damage to the glass, to the front shield. Then it's really easy. Push and slide the blade, the wiper body blade upwards, and you disassemble this tool. Not this tool, this arm. To get this back in position is really easy, as you can see. Align the wiper arm tabs with the blade component grooves and then slide it back in position. It's a little bit tricky. You have to rotate a little bit, but then you are able to get it back in position. It's really easy, as you can see, and you can perform this like me. These are the left front arm. Let's perform this at the same on the left side, or on the right side, as you can see. The left side, if you're in car direction, is the longer arm, and the right side is the shorter arm. Hot waxes applied by automatic car washers have been known to affect the wiper's ability to clean windows. To prevent damage to the wiper blades, do not use petrol, paraffin, paint thinner, or as solvents on or near them. When the wiper lever is in auto position and the ignition is switched on, the wipers may move automatically. If there is a rain sensor attached, the rain sensor wipe with the claws, or is struck with their hand or an object. That can damage your wipers. So take care, do not switch on the ignition.